Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically take 4K screenshots of your web page, in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. It works as well in Mozilla Firefox. So I'll just be pressing F12 on my keyboard here, and I'm just going to select this bit right here as well. Then you are going to go here, and you're going to select Edit. Add custom device. I'm just going to type mine high res. Then I'm just going to do 1920 and 1080. Type in 4 and type in desktop. Then you're going to press add. You're going to go here again and you're going to select high resolution. You're then going to select these three dots and you're going to select capture a screenshot, sorry. And then here you'll be able to see the screenshotted image. And it is in 4K. As you can see, if I zoom in, it's going to be in 4K. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.